In front of me is a Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, hold power and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do it right now. And once you see the boot mode, you can let go of the keys, and then using only volume keys to navigate, you want to make sure that you can see right here recovery mode, like so. Confirm it with power key. So reboot the device into recovery mode, but before it actually enters it, it will end on this screen. So once you see the Android with no command, hold power key, press volume up once, and voila, we are now in the recovery mode. And just as before, you can navigate using volume keys, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And with that in mind, from here we have access to booting back up into Android, going back to the bootloader, entering fast boot mode, applying updates from ADB or SD card, wiping data, mounting system, viewing logs, running tests, and simply powering off the device. And like I mentioned, whatever you select, you'll then confirm with power key. Now, because I want to leave the recovery mode, I'm sticking with the first option, reboot system now. And I'm just gonna let it reboot and take me back to Android.
Hello, Moto.
And as you can see, there we go. We are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.